Stop.
Nathan, go on then. This person is mental. Hey, put your hood on the water.
Oh, damn. Oh, for God's sake.
Do it for the vine.
Do it for the donut. Risk it for a biscuit.
Do it for the vine.
Biscuit for a biscuit. I'm CJ, one of the halves of Do It Bros, and the reason Logan is here, the other half, is because he got attacked by a pack of angry ants because he stole some cheese from Frankfurt.
Bro, look at this dude.
No, I'm just joking. The real reason he's not here is because he's poorly.
Basically, guys, we're to the Bannon Farm. I know it's me, Brody, we're talking. We're trying to do a Bannon Farm video, so we're going to try our best to get in. The farmer's there, right? And he has permission to shoot. We're going to try our best to get in. And
I don't know where the farm is. I've lost it.
Wait. Yeah, I'm scared. CJ's over there. He's the only one who knows his way around the swamp, so I'm so scared.
CJ, remember when me, you and Colin honestly, if the farmer catches them, I'm going to pee myself.
Yeah, I'm just going to curl up into a boarding pool.
Basically,
that's why I got my hair like this, right? So, what are those? Right, so basically, see there, like, film of that, look. Don't, like, film all the houses, like, yeah, that massive thing there, yeah. Behind that is the Bannon Farm. Guys, if you can see him, a little black dot, that's the farmer, so we have a chance. The farmer's literally right there. We have a chance to get him, and if we haven't told you, we're going to be going up there. So, basically, guys, the aim of the game is to try and climb up there. The first contestant, CJ. Second one is Nathan Hart. And the third one is Robbie Wade. So let's go. So guys, the rules are simple. See, you do a run up from where that wooden plank is. Yes. And then first contestant will be CJ, Nathan Hart. And then Robbie. And then you got to run across here. Jump up there. So let's get right into it. So the first contestant is
teapot.
Ooh. As he struggles to get up there, he tries his best. CJ fails. Ooh, and he's getting back up. Ooh. You'll have to try again next time. Next contestant is Nathan Horrocks. Bad, Alicia. Ooh. A tortoise in his natural habitat. You have 2 seconds. And he failed. You could try again next time. So basically, guys, I know it looks like a ball, the little bubbling. We are getting our feet soaking for this. We literally are. Let's get right into it. Next contestant is Robbie. R.I.P. phone. R.I.P. phone in the chat, guys. So the next contestant is Robbie Wade. That hit my ball sock. I think this challenge is pretty hard. R.I.P.'s Robbie's wet feet. R.I.P. that bed who the farmer has probably had a lot of stuff on it. Now, guys, we're going to be exploring. So, come on. So, we're exploring. We're going to be exploring. CJ's going to try to climb this. Right. Oh, let's get it. Wait, how did you just get up there? Let's have a replay of that. Come on. Yes, Nathan. Can you put yourself up there? Right. Now you're worthless. Right. You used to try to go up there, Nathan. I'll go. Be careful on these floorboards a minute. Guys, we're in the building. And be careful for them floorboards. Walk on it. Damn. Should we try getting on the roof? Oh, it's bad.
I don't have good vibes from this place. Be careful. Shh, be quiet. Right. Nah. Got bad vibes from this place, guys. I really don't like it here. I'm gonna try to get on the roof to see the sunset. Bunbury, you alright?
Oh my god, see you showing them the body.
Right, we're not going to be going on the roof today, guys, because it's raining and we don't really want to die. I'm not up for that today. So, see what else we can do. You'll see us when we think we've thought something. Guys, really look like this place.
Right, come on. Right, look in there.
Whoa.
Look, see, right. Remember me, you, and Callum and Jen, you saw funny.
Yeah, but
This is the sketch of all the summoning hole.
When it's dropped.
look at all them holes, guys. Wait, nah. What is that? What is that?
No.
No, you can see it on camera, but
The camera, look. Look, ice. Can we get out?
no.
Right, somebody hold this.
Raindrops.
If we do see some
But like, guys, I really don't understand when, like, look at that, right? How does that just magically happen when something becomes abandoned? Like, when things are abandoned, things just magically fall. That's not how it works. I don't understand what.
Come over here.
Someone or something must be doing this stuff. Someone or something must be doing this stuff, guys. So I'm really.
There's so many holes.
I walk past this farm. Actually, I've done. There's a load of holes with Nathan. Don't go in that box. It's burning that. And also.
Yeah, nah, what is that? I keep hearing stuff. This is.
Yeah, can we get out now?
Right. Guys, we'll get back to you when.
Right, guys, we're out here. Basically, CJ just told you like a mad story about when he used to come here. They had loads of scratches, right?
He's gonna turn homeless.
Right. So basically,
Can we go home? I want to call my mummy. No.
right, I'm gonna be the cameraman. Robbie's gonna be behind me. He said he wants to be the cameraman, but I am. I'm the best cameraman, right? All right. So then, Nathan. Horse. And horse. It's because you don't have a YouTube channel.
Okay. It's okay.
No.
Right, cause he's just going to
Guys, we're gonna like film everything. Like, don't do like any fake screen, any fake noises. But, no, did you hear that? I'm joking. It's CJ. Oh, right, we're gonna.
Nah, here. Robbie.
Gay!
Right, pot noodle. Right, let's go. Teapot.
Nobody making a pink noises.
Right, no, like don't, cause right, look at that. How would that? But look, how would that get there?
There is loads of
Barely anybody comes here.
loads of ways to get windows.
I know, but like that's thing that could easily fall down because this has been on fire.
Has it
Like
been on
recently.
fire?
Yeah, can't you see the roof? It was on fire like 2 months ago. I'm just right.
Wait, how was it done?
Okay, can we? Right, we're gonna put the flash on.
Yeah, it is a bike.
No, somebody else's here. Don't touch it. Somebody else's. No, guys. There's a bike.
It's only one wheel. It's only got one wheel.
It's a nice bike.
No, somebody could be here.
No,
No,
one wheel.
No, I hadn't. Right,
Now let's go investigate.
right, let's go. Right, no. That is.
You're here to kill me, killers. Clap your hands.
No. Right.
If you're here, subscribe to Robbie Willows.
Do it, bros. Subscribe to Do It, Bros.
Subscribe.
Do it,
To Robbie Wade. Subscribe to Robbie Wade. And do it, bros.
Do it, bros.
Right, come on. Right, Right, we're actually gonna be doing no. We're not gonna keep on stopping like every second. But no, we're just gonna keep on exploring. Nathan, we need to use your flash.
Guys, I found a spoon.
Oh, that's a nice spoon. Lick it if you dare.
Smells like a spoon.
Right, here, Nathan. I know that's been there for ages.
What did it say? I was here.
No, it is. I was here.
Oh my god. I snapped the fork in half.
Oh, you scared me. But Nathan, can we use your flash?
Why?
Like, when we go inside there and all that. Wait, do you remember? No, right. Do you remember when that was unblocked? Do you remember when that was like?
Yeah.
No. No, it has 2 wheels, guys. But the chains came off. Who the hell would leave a bike that?
It has no chain.
Somebody take it, but who the hell would leave a nice bike like that?
It has no chain.
Still.
Again! He did it again! He licked my hair!
Oh, right. Right, come on. Right, we need to explore. Right, no, right.
Guys, first objective is to try and get
Guys, because we're not like little scary cats, right?
I am.
We're gonna be exploring.
I
right?
am.
To be honest, like, Brody,
I know.
to be honest, I think we have to come here on a sunny day. So if we don't go in, we are going to
tomorrow.
go in.
We're there. Robbie, can we do a video tomorrow? We're there.
Is that how this house burned down?
Look.
Yo, is that how this place
So
burned
if
down?
we don't go in today, we'll go in another day because it needs to be sunny. I'd go on the roof.
Right, come on, right. No, right. We need to explore here. Nathan, we need your flash.
Oh, yeah, it's going in.
It's just an empty room.
I know, but still, there's stuff in it. And there's a bike there.
There's a mattress.
If there's anyone here, let us know. No, like, be serious. If there is anyone here, let us know, please. Make some sort of signal.
Touch Nathan. If someone's here, kidnap, take Nathan.
No. Right, someone's here. Make like a knock on the wall. Right, everyone be quiet.
I've seen an Amazon box.
Dude.
It's mad.
No, I just heard that. No, guys, right, we'll have a replay of that.
It sounds all fake and that, but as soon as Brody, it might just be a coincidence or it might be the rain or something, but as soon as Brody said knock, I heard.
And then the next clip, do you know when he said, "Oh my God, replay that"? There was a knock on like a metal. See like that metal stuff over there.
No, it sounded like.
Right, if you're here now, make a knock. We will wait 10 seconds. If we hear a knock, we will leave. If you don't make a knock, then we can stay here.
It sounded like someone knocked on a window, but there's no.
Fam. Right, no, stop talking. Alright, so I'm editing this video. I can't be the only one who heard that knock. I swear I can't be the only one who heard that knock. Right, actually stop talking because we heard like a knock on metal. Nah, did you see that up there?
No. Bro, don't fake it.
No, I'm not faking. It was probably just my hair.
Because everyone will be like. This is actually some serious shit.
Yeah, this is actually very serious. Don't make it all like that.
Because I think we should just leave and come back tomorrow. To
Let's-
be honest.
Right, no, there was just another knock. I think we should leave. We're off our way to leave now. No, this isn't easy. We're to Manamill. Right, we're off to leave now.
I think we should.
No.
I think we should come back.
Should we come back tomorrow? Come back tomorrow.
We'll come back tomorrow.
Yeah, Robbie, should we meet the same place tomorrow? Be more sunny. So you'll be expecting a video tomorrow as well. I know it seems all fake, but shh. Hey, stop walking. Nah.
And this.
Right, we'll just leave. Right, we're leaving now.
And there's been a fire.
Right, no, literally, nobody set the fire. Nobody.
We can hear something on it. Bad boy. Run.
No. Not seriously. Did he like somebody go like? I did. Right, guys, that'll be the end of the video. We might do another video. This might not be uploaded if you do see this, and this is real. Subscribe. Don't subscribe to him because he's never a YouTube channel, oh boy. And subscribe to the Do It Bros. We'll see you later.